Assalamu alaikum, my beloved brothers and sisters. I got up early in the morning and I performed Salatul Fajr, and I came back from mosque and I took some biscuit and took tea. And right now I am making a video for you. And after some time later I will go for work. Actually, you know that I do work building construction. That's why I will have to go for work building construction. So I start my work 7 o'clock in the morning, and I the work leave time, break time and leave time, the work leave time 4 o'clock in the afternoon time. And after 4 o'clock I will be coming back from this workplace to my house, and I will take shower and I will have some food. I will have boiled rice, and then I will take sleep sometime, and I will go for market for buy something for our family. Actually I have so many responsibility this house. Actually, you know that I am a family member. I have a wife, I have two child, therefore I have to work for earn a money, and I have to do market, I have to do buy something for my family. Without buy something food, how can I will eat something? So definitely you know that every person should buy vegetable and rice and necessary thing that our family. So after getting work, definitely I will have to come back from this workplace and come to my house, and again I will have to go for market for buy something. And then after getting buy something food and necessary thing, then I will come back my house, and just 8 o'clock in the evening time I will have to perform salatul I will have to perform Salatul Isha prayer, and then I will have to take dinner, and I will মানে আমি শুতে যাব. At I will go to bed at 10 o'clock in night. So today my this daily routine মানে এগুলো এখনো হয়নি, মানে এগুলো মানে হতে চলেছে। কিছু অংশ আমি পাস্ট বললাম যেগুলো হয়ে গেছে, এবং কিছু অংশ মানে ফিউচার বললাম। সো ফিউচারে যখন বলবে তখন উইল দিয়ে সাবজেক্টগুলো তৈরি করতে হয়, সেন্টেন্সগুলো, এবং যখন মানে অলরেডি করে ফেলেছো সেগুলো মানে বলতে হবে যে পাস্ট টেন্সে অনলি ভার্বের V2 ফর্ম দিয়ে সেন্টেন্সগুলো বানাতে হবে। সো আজকে ছিল এই ক্লাসটা, বা বলতে পারো ভিডিওটা। সো যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে একটা লাইক দেবে এবং বন্ধুদেরকে শেয়ার করবে। বাই।